To add fingerprint into the Redmi Note 15, first of all, you have to start by opening the settings and navigate into the fingerprints, face date and the screen lock. Then select fingerprint unlock. Before you do this, you have to set a standard screen lock if you don't have one. So let's do that. I'm gonna use a pattern. We have to input it twice to confirm. And now we have to click that we've got it. Now the sensor is located here, so we have to make sure that we have clean our finger and put it like so. And when you see this animation over here, it means that that your finger was recognized. And when you are scanning your finger, make sure that you put it on the left side, right side, top side, bottom part, middle part. Just basically move your finger all around this sensor to scan this properly. As you can see, it goes pretty fast. And if you have some issues with scanning your finger, you can even use the second finger. So this is some kind of the trick and the bypass for this one. And you can add multiple fingers if you want, and you can even rename this finger. So we can set, for example, right hand or left hand. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.